Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I will show you that how to fix translucent TV not working in the Windows 11 after update. So I will show you exactly how to do this. First of all, you have to just open your browser and then you have to just search here for the VV tool. After this, you have to just open the first website, which is named as the GI Hub. So once you open it, you will find here the step of the interface. Just scroll down here and in the assist you have to just click on the first link, which is the VV tool, and then click to download it. So after downloading, you have to just move this download to the desktop. Once you done it, you have to just move to the next step and you will find this WinRAR folder here. You can also get this folder in the zip folder, so don't worry, I will show you how can you extract it. So for this, you have to just open your this PC and open your C drive, and here you have to just create a new folder and give here the name as ZVV. This is the most important step, to give this folder a name of ZVV. After completing this process, just close this window, and in the next method you have to just right click on your downloaded file, which is in the WinRAR mode or the zip file. You have to just right click on it and then click on the extract files. And now here you have to just select for your destination and then click on the OK. After doing so, you can see that here is the extracted file and the folder. Here you have to just copy it and then you have to just open your C drive again and then open the folder which we have created recently as the name of the Z drive. So you have to just open it and paste the folder here. After completing this process, you have to just open your command prompt or CMD, but make sure that you run it as an administrator. After this, you have to just put here the two commands that are showing on your screen. After putting these commands one by one, you have to just restart your system one time. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.